Insert entire Excel sheet to Word document. I will show you the easiest step. First, open your Word document, click on Insert, then click on Object. Here, select on bitmap image like this, and then click on Create from File. Check on Link to File, then click on Browse. Go to your file location, select the Excel file, insert, OK, and boom, that's it. Now you can work in Word documents as usual. OK, if you need any editing or if you need to change anything in your Excel, just double click on this image and it will redirect you to original Excel. From here you can change anything, like I will take 10, 20, 30, and now save it. Okay, Control S to save. It will auto change in Word document. Look at that. Now it's auto change. So like this you can link your table, data, value, whatever you want. You can easily link, and to edit just double click and then edit it, and it will auto change. Just before you move to Word, save your Excel file by pressing Ctrl S and it will auto change here. That's it, man. It's very simple. So thank you for watching. Catch you next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much, guys.